Good morning, everyone! Today we had the privilege of visiting the Jordan River, widely known as the place where Jesus was baptized. After that, we're visiting the Masada, and then finally we end the day off at the lowest point on earth, which is the Dead Sea. Let's go!
I need you to enjoy this moment of celebrating the renewal of your baptism. It's not a baptism. It's very important to know. It's not a baptism. It's a remembrance, okay, of your baptism.
Today we went to the Jordan River, and a few days ago we went to a different Jordan River, so we went to two. This one is the original one, so it's like dirtier, but yeah, it's original. It's cool because they gave us a robe, a towel, and a plastic bag. So it's really cool. I really liked it. Like, it's a different experience.
It was just so special because you hear about the Jordan River. Well, I learned it through Sunday school, going to church growing up. I never thought I would be able to actually go in the Jordan River and be renewed and baptized. So it was a good experience. Yeah, I really loved it. It was so cool. We're on the way to Masada, so we will show you guys how that looks like.
What happened? I thought we were going to the Masada.
Change of plans.
Yep, change of plans.
What's up, guys? We're here at the Dead Sea. They call it the fake Dead Sea because I think they have to pump the water into this area because the water is constantly getting lower.
So a little fun fact, the Dead Sea is dying. So every month the water level is going down by 3 inches.
Okay, things to expect. So the water is supposedly really salty, so don't shave anything 3 days before. Try not to get it on your face because if it gets in your eyes, it's gonna burn your eyes basically. Our friend cried for 30 minutes straight, she said, because it really hurt. Or our tour guide said that the water feels very oily. Let's go. Guys, here's a tutorial for how to float in the Dead Sea. I'm here with Roma Dizzle right now. She's gonna show us and demonstrate the steps on how to float properly at the Dead Sea. So step 1, Roma's gonna get in the squat position. Okay, and then you're gonna sit down. Just sit your butt back. Yep, and then float back. That's it.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Have a beautiful time.
Have a beautiful time, guys. Guys, this is the showers. You want to wash off right after because you have all this greasy water on your body. So you want to wash off with fresh water.
So there's the showers over there.
What's up, guys?
Nice.
The next thing you do is you put some mud from the Dead Sea. It's supposedly really good for your skin. And you're supposed to do it after or before. I don't even know. But either way, we got some on us, and it's a pretty cool experience just being covered in mud. Look at that. And that concludes our time here at Dead Sea. What an amazing time. It was really fun.
If not everybody
Yalla means let's go. Yalla means let's go. Let's hurry and go. And then yalla means let's get
there was a lot of
out of here.
balagan, okay?
just learned about the Masada, at least the history of it, through a form of movie, and now we're on the cable car heading to the actual Masada. Oh my gosh, we're so thrilled, aren't we? Okay, it's time to go. I'm tired already. We just ate.
Romans understood that there are rebels here on the mountain, and they know that nobody is who's rebelling the Romans can stay alive. He has two options: to die or to die. That's the only option to die. No, he has a third option: is they take the woman and the children, abuse them, and make them slaves. Yeah, okay. So that's the options you have: die, die, or be slave. Okay. What did you select?
Bye.
No, I select to be a Roman.
Anyways, guys, I'm glad you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, thumbs up this video, subscribe, and share this video. I want the whole world to come to Israel because Israel is a beautiful country. Alright guys, see you guys later.